Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can incorporate project sponsors into your Zoho project, a key step in successful project management in 2025. Let's get started. First up, navigate to the Users tab in your Zoho project. This is where you'll manage all participants in your project. Adding project sponsors here is important as it ensures they have access to project updates and can provide necessary support and resources. Next, click on the Add User button and input your sponsor's details. Remember to select Project Sponsor under the Role drop-down menu. The reason we do this is to assign the correct permissions to your project sponsor, enabling them to review project progress and make impactful decisions. Now that we've done that, you'll want to assign them to a specific project. Navigate to the Projects tab, select your relevant project, and then click on Add Users to this project. This step is crucial because it links your project sponsor to the project they're sponsoring, ensuring they're kept in the loop. Once you've added your sponsor to the project, it's time to set up notifications. Go to the Notifications tab under Settings and customize the types of updates your sponsor will receive. This helps us because it ensures the sponsor receives only pertinent information, saving them time and keeping them focused on key issues. Finally, it's good practice to send a welcome message to your sponsor. This can be done through the Messages tab. This is an opportunity to clarify expectations and establish a positive working relationship right from the onset. That's it. You've successfully incorporated a project sponsor into your Zoho project. By following these steps, you'll ensure your project sponsors are fully integrated into your project, making them more effective in their role. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.